Hi, you're at the SUI Wyckoff session, so let's look into the charts and see what the weekly and daily candlesticks are telling us. So, looking at the weekly, big picture first, we're seeing these four consecutive green candles that's bringing SUI to a point that's level to the previous LPSY, the last point of supply, and there is obviously a little bit of resistance. Because if we look at what happened here back in May, the first 2 weeks of May basically, as well as the third week, but the third week went much lower, so let's just take a look at the first two. So at the same level, now we're seeing over here and here at around $4. Those 2 weeks found significant pressure. Likewise, as of this moment, we have started like 2.5 days roughly. This week, the resistance is still there, and this isn't going up any further. So, if what we have put in here is correct, like the buying climax, the upthrust, and upthrust of the distribution, if those are correct, and this is really an LPSY, then this one would be likely an LPSY as well. The thing here is, if we go to the daily charts, we see the current surge is basically another buying climax forming. So right now we are not seeing an automatic reaction yet. So usually after a buying climax, the price will eventually retrace a little. Obviously the current resistance line for the buying climax is $4.40 roughly, besides the one we already talked about at $4, where the price is being restrained at the moment. And in automatic reaction, the first support would be $3.28 roughly. That's where the automatic reaction last time hovered along before the upthrust appears. So upthrust doesn't necessarily always appear. So even if the price do come down and then expect a second test, keep adjusting your stop loss, keep pushing it until to a certain point there isn't sufficient demand and the price come back down. Don't always aim for an upthrust to happen, because sometimes it doesn't. So that's the stage where we are at basically for the daily as well as the weekly Wyckoff. So the weekly, in summary, probably another LPSY. You see declining volume as well, right? And then here, volume went up a little yesterday, but then today, well, we're still early. There's still 7 hours left. There may be more trading happening in the next 7 hours, but try to think about this may be a buying climax nearing happening. What it means is, if it's a climax, that means is a tip of a mountain, right? So it will come down eventually, and then there may be a chance there is a higher tip, but expect in the interim there may be a dip in the next few days. That's pretty much it for SUI.